friends, it's Mrs. Robertson. Today we're going to talk about the number 7. Before we begin, I need you to give me another number, and that's 5. When we give 5, our legs are still, our hands are in a basket, our eyes are watching, our ears are listening, and our lips are zipped. Okay, for number 7, we're going to start by counting to 7 because I know you're all very good at that. Put your hands up like this. We're going to turn them this way, and let's begin to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent work, my friends. I have 7 magnets on my board. I have the word 7 and the number 7. So the word 7 has S-E-V-E-N. 7. Do you hear the S sound at the beginning of 7? Listen carefully. 7. 7. 7 starts with the letter S and it starts with a S sound. Making the number 7 isn't too difficult. So here it is with my letter builders. And I use my letter builders to make a number. So when I make the number 7, it's a small line back, and I kick out a long line to the floor, just like when I made an uppercase R and I needed to kick out a line to the floor. It's not a straight line, it's a slightly slanted line, just like when we made an uppercase R. So let's get out our magic pencil and let's get ready to draw, or to write number 7. Everyone wake up your magic pencil, say wake up magic pencil. Okay, let's go side to side, forwards and backwards, up and down, and around and around. Point to your ceiling, point to your floor. Let's start. Ready? So here's my 7 as an example. Slide a small line back, then kick it out to the floor. Let's do it one more time. Start the ceiling, small line back, kick it out to the floor. I'm going to do it on this 7 so you can see. Small line back, kick it out to the floor. One more time. Small line back, kick it out to the floor. Well done, friends. When we're counting to 7, remember our numbers, the 7 can be arranged in any different way and it's still 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put 7 on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. But even if I move it this way, let's see. If I move them into different squares, do I still have 7? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still have 7. What if I move this one over here? Do I still have 7? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still have 7. If I turn my 10 frame this way, do I still have 7 if I put my magnets in? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I have 5 on the top and 2 at the bottom, I have 7. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 on the top and 3 on the bottom, I still have 7. So no matter how you put the magnets together, no matter how many ways you count 7 on your fingers and which fingers you use, 7 is always 7. So friends, we are going to do this paper in your math workbook together. So if you don't have it out, go ahead and pause your video. You're going to need a pencil and a crayon before we begin. Okay friends, the first thing we're going to do is write our name. So I'm going to go ahead and write my name on my paper. I'm going to write Mrs. R. And you go ahead and write your name on your paper. If I'm ever going too fast, just go ahead and pause the video so you can catch up. The first thing we're going to do is write our number in the box. So today we're working on number 7. So let me do it first and then you do it. I'm going to go into the box. I'm going to do a small line at the ceiling. then I'm going to kick it out to the floor for number 7. Now it's your turn. Small line sliding back at the ceiling, and then kick it out to the floor. Good job. Now we're going to look at our number line. Ready for our number line? We're going to start at 0, and we're going to hop to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 hops because we're going to number 7. Good job, friends. Now we're going to practice writing number 7. So in the first one, I'm going to slide back along the ceiling and kick out to the floor for the first one. So follow along, and you can do it in your book. Put your pencil at the ceiling, slide back along the ceiling, and kick it out to the floor. Good job. For the next one, put your pencil at the ceiling, slide back along the ceiling, and kick it out to the floor. Good job, friends. One more time. Put your pencil at the ceiling, slide it back along the ceiling, kick it out to the floor. It looks like we can fit one more 7. I'm going to put my pencil at the ceiling, slide it back, and kick it out to the floor. Good job. Now, friends, we are going to show 7 in the box. So I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can color your circles any way you want. Have them in the box any way you want, as long as you have 7. Good job. Now, friends, we're going to fill in our 10 frame for 7. We only want to color in 7 boxes. Make sure you're holding your crayon with a nice tripod grip, and you're going to hold on, you're going to color with your crayon, just moving your fingers, not your whole arm, not your wrist, just your fingers if you can. Try hard to stay in the lines. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, friends. You're doing an excellent job. If you need more time, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to move on and do the rest. Right here, we're going to color the groups that have 7, and we're going to put an X through the groups that do not. Let's look at this first group. 1, 2. Is this 7? It is not. I'm going to put an X through it. Let's look at this next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 7? It sure is. We can color all of these triangles. My crayon is very dull. It's not doing a good job staying in the lines. Good job, friends. Let's look at this next group. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Well, is that 7? It is not. Let's X it up. Let's look at this last group. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 7? It sure is. We can color it. Let's color this last group of 7. Great job, friends. You did an excellent job. Go ahead and finish up on your own, and then you're going to turn and do this next page on your own Mommy and Daddy can show you more what to do, and then you'll turn it into me on Google Classroom.